How to blur or unblur wallpaper on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So first thing first, all you gotta do is swipe down the screen from the top left corner of the screen. Now tap and hold the wallpaper or the screen, and then click on Customize at the bottom. Click on Home Screen. At the bottom right corner, you can see the option of Blur. If you click on Blur, it will blur the wallpaper, and if you unclick it, it will unblur the wallpaper. So you can choose according to your need. And once you are done, click on Done at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, the wallpaper has been unblurred. Similarly, you can tap on Blur if you want to blur it out. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.